Tesco here, so but we'll go another day.
City.
We don't need
North
anything
York.
tonight. We've got enough food to feed an army. I'm going to go across. This is called Valley Bridge, and at the other side, at the red lights, we're going to go down, and that will take us down to the South Bay.
So we go down to the South Bay on North York, yes, Scarborough.
So we will go left here.
Barchester's Red Oaks Care Home in Henfield is now welcoming new residents.
Oh, fine there.
Formula for heavens, very simple.
Well as they possibly can be. Proud Barchester's
Just follow
Let's go,
the
Chris.
rules and you will see
CQC, Red Oaks provides
that as
Turn
life
left.
travels on and things do go wrong,
Find out more about
just
residential
follow step
Park
1,
there, yeah.
2, and 3. You can see at the bottom, South Beach.
Oh, ทะเลตรงหน้านะ
It's quite a large town because
big
we have.
bridge.
This is the best beach
Bridge.
on the south side, I think. And
Between
this is where all the
Hudson.
amusements are along the seafront and shops. That round building there, the rotunda, that is a museum, fishing, I think. Local museum. This path above us takes us from the town over to the top of the south. But usually when I go, I drive. So at the moment the tide is out, so the water is further away from the shore. When the tide comes in, it comes right up almost to this dry sand here. And along here is first this large amusement arcade, and in there are all kinds of games and amusements, and on the first floor is a bowling alley, 10-pin bowling. Here where the big wheel is, it used to be a theatre called the Futurist Theatre, but in the end they took it down. Now they cannot decide what to do with this space. So they had the wheel for a while, and then it went, and they put something else, and then it went, and now they bring the wheel back, because they just don't know what to put.
Died with COVID-19 in the UK. Downing Street says there